If you want to file a complaint regarding the bus services of Bihar State Road Transport Corporation, BSRTC, such as delays, misbehavior of conductor driver, lost luggage, or other inconveniences, including online bookings, payments, charges, etc., you can follow these steps. Step 1. Contact BSRTC helplines. For instant help, 24/7, you can call the BSRTC helpline numbers 9798047742, 9508633131, or email bsrports@gmail.com to report an incident related to Bihar roadways. Contact regional managers, RM, of divisional offices. Patna Division. Call at 06122677888 or email patnapstreport@gmail.com. Gaya Division. Dial the helpline 0631222628 or email to gayapstreports@gmail.com. Bhagalpur Division. Dial 064124000566 or email your concerns at bhagalpurstreports@gmail.com. Muzaffarpur Division. Call the helpline number 062122122419 or email muzaffarpurstreports@gmail.com. Darbhanga Division. Call 6204750133 or email muzaffarpurstreports@gmail.com. Purnia Division. Call at 0645424276 or email punabstreport@gmail.com. Step 2. File online complaint. Visit the official BSRTC website,